Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever it is that you're watching this video. Hey, I hope you've had a great week and are looking forward to the upcoming weekend. This past week, we've had Mother's Day, we've had sunshine, we've had rain. Right now, as I'm recording this video, it's overcast and kind of gloomy outside. But my windows are still open, so you may hear cars pass back and forth. There's construction across the road from me, so you might hear a lot of noise. And as always, my dogs are here with me. So if they hear something, they are going to bark. I will do my best to mute as fast as I can. All right, let's take a look at our vocabulary for the week. Let's see, here we go. I hope you're seeing my screen. And our words for this week are unfurl, thaw. Let me scroll this down so we can see the whole page. Hello, Fisher. Unfurl, thaw, din, garment, chide, vast, nimble, trophy, eerie, and fret. You may know some of these words. You may not know some of these words. Our goal is for you to learn a few. I'd love for you to learn them all, but learn as many as you can in this next week. Okay, reminder, a synonym a synonym is a word that means the same or almost the same as another word. So here we go. If you unfurl something, you unfold it. When ice thaws, it melts. So melts means about the same thing as thaw. Unfurl means about the same thing as unfold. A din is a loud noise. So like when your classroom gets loud, it could be described as there's a din in the classroom, meaning there's a loud noise in the classroom. A garment is something you wear. If you chide someone, you scold that person. So to be chided is to be scolded. Vast means great, like the universe is vast. It is great, not like awesome, not like that kind of great, but like huge, amazing, immense, goes on forever. Vast. Nimble means quick. Have you ever heard the nursery rhyme, Jack be nimble, Jack be quick? Jack jumped over the candlestick. There you go. When I think of nimble, I think easy to move in and out of things, has good reflexes, those kinds of things. Okay, a trophy is a prize. So when you go fishing, your fish that you catch are your trophy. When you fret, you worry. And over here, eerie means strange. When something is weird and different, it could be eerie. And usually when I think eerie, I don't think just strange, like Strange Things, the TV show, which I love. I think eerie makes me think creepy and kind of scary when I hear that word. So, all right, here we go. Right down here, read the words in each row and write the vocab word that means almost the same thing. All right, here we go. I'm going to try to get my annotation, which means being able to write, up on the screen. And you can download these. I want you to put the answers in them, send them back to me via a Google Doc. Some of you are doing a really great job of that. And I will take a look at them like that. Or you can just type up your answers and I'll take that too. Okay, so here we go. To unfold or to open. If we look back at the top of our document, if I can get it to let me do that. Oh, it's not going to give me my mouse. Hold on. Here we go. To unfold, there we see that word right there, right? Unfold means about the same thing as unfurl. So that's the word you're going to write in that box. Unfurl. You get me biting my tongue as I'm trying to write. Unfurl. I'm not going to write them all. I'm just giving you the example this time. All right, to unfurl. All right, get rid of that little blue thing and that little blue thing. Here we go. Vex or trouble. When something is, I guess we got to get rid of unfurl because it moved. Oh, and I have to do each letter by itself. To vex, to have trouble. What could it be? If we're not sure, let's see how many answers are in this. This is a good problem-solving thing. So if you look, there are 7 vocabulary words that we're going to use. And how many vocabulary words do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're not going to use them all. What did I just do? We're not going to use them all, but we'll use some of them. I'm suspecting that to vex means fret, to worry, but I'm not sure. So let's try this again. If we're not sure, we're going to go ahead and wait. Okay, so let's go to racket or uproar. If there's a racket in your classroom, it doesn't mean like there's a tennis racket. That's not what racket means. It could mean like a lot of noise, right? Uproar, racket. So the word that I would write here would be din. And remember, another good thing to do while you're doing work is to cross off the words that you use. Oh, apparently I changed everything to white. I'm going to change it to a dark red because I think that's better. Okay, unfurl, din, we used both of those. Okay, number 4, scold or nag. Remember, we saw up here scold is to chide someone, to nag them. Get that garbage out, take the trash out, make your bed, clean your room. Got it? To chide. Brisk, quick. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. There we go, nimble. Let's see, I've got to get my mouse back. Get myself, I have problems sometimes getting my mouse to do what I want it to do. Hold on. Brisk, quick is nimble. Dissolve, melt. Dissolve and melt. When something melts, it thaws, right? So here's our word right here, thaws. When something melts, it thaws. And then what was the last one again? Clothing and apparel. Clothing and apparel would be a garment, right? Garment. Okay, so now let's take a look at the words that we have left. We did not do vex and trouble. So if this were like a test or something that I was doing on my own, if I didn't know the answer to something, I'd skip it and I'd come back. And we skipped vex and trouble. So I only have these words left: vast, trophy, fret, and eerie. Eerie means strange, so that doesn't mean trouble. Trophy is a prize, that doesn't mean trouble. Vast means like huge, great, amazingly large. So that doesn't mean trouble. That only leaves one thing left, fret. So I'm thinking that fret goes right here with vex, trouble, worry. Got it? Okay, so that's that. Now let's see, I think I need to erase everything that I've just done. Erase. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Okay, so our vocabulary words this week are unfurl, thaw, din, garment, chide, vast, nimble, trophy, eerie, and fret. All right, let's go back over to this part of the worksheet. Cross out the word in each square that does not belong. Okay, so actually we have a rectangle, it's not a square, and there are 4 of them. So we have to cross out one word in each one that doesn't belong. So in number 1, we have weird, eerie, strange, and nice. Weird, eerie, strange, and nice. I do not think that nice fits. That's the one I would cross out. Enormous, I can't talk today for some reason. Enormous, vest, vast, great. Now remember, our vocabulary word is vast, meaning like it goes on forever and ever and ever. Or you have vast amount of knowledge, you just know a whole bunch of things, a great amount of knowledge. I think that vest does not fit. Lose, award, prize, and trophy. Well, this one's pretty obvious to me. If you lose, you do not get an award, you do not get a trophy, and you do not get a prize. So that's what I would put for answers for this one. All right. That is our vocabulary for the week. I believe there might be even something to do at the bottom, but we're not going to do it. Nope, there's not. We are good to go. That is it. All right, so I want to share one more thing with you. I don't know if you can see this. Let's go back to stop share, and I'll share again. This was in our meadow this past week. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of pixelated, but this right here, that is a huge swarm of bees, a natural swarm of bees. It's about 4 feet long. Isn't that amazing? We have beehives on our land. And so the beekeeper, we called him and said, hey, there's a swarm of bees in a tree. So he came out because he takes care of the bees, and they weren't his bees. They were just a natural swarm. So he came and he shook the bees off the branch and into a beehive. And I think he said he has 5 new boxes of bees now. Pretty amazing. So yeah, I don't know if any of you have ever seen, my mouth is not working today, had ever seen a natural swarm of bees before hanging on a branch, but there you go. All right, that's it for this week. You guys have a great day. Get your work done, email it to me, send it in a Google Doc, or type up your answers, but do that worksheet, all right? And I will see you in our Zoom on Wednesdays at 2 o'clock. Wednesdays at 2 o'clock. All right, guys. See you later.